Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another video. Today we will learn how to add BMI calculator widget on Blogger website. So let's quickly start the video and move to widget. So here is a widget for BMI calculator. We will first head to get code. Here is a code. We will copy the code and simply paste on the back end of our website. Now let's see the website for confirmation. So here you can see widget is successfully installed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such tutorials. Thank you.